Alright, so I gotta finish taking that garbage out when I'm done. Just finished loading here. Throw this in the back somewhere. So we got Romas on, which I'm gonna need right away. Guys got them on sale. Bells as well. Actually gonna stick some bells down the middle here that guy needs as well. Riser. These ones that I had no room for because there's no room. This truck's too small for everything we carry. Brunch. Got the Packer ones on. I got the Real Dough. Got Patriot. Don't have all Nancy's because we don't have room for Nancy's anywhere besides burying things. So wait till that next week. Right away. I'll throw some of those on quick. Just the ones I know he'll use. Combination I know he'll use, the Alfredo, stuff like that. He's got a good sale going on just down the road. I don't know why I put that thing back up. That's alright. Barbecue I know he can use. Combo. Because the next stop I have, I'm going right there, so we'll take this off right away. Hawaiian, he's already got a bunch of that. Can't go wrong with Alfredo. Then he's got sausage in here, I think. It's another Alfredo. There's sausage. I don't know which one this one is. Cheese, we can take that. Yeah, but I don't have to dig off that back pallet if I don't have to for a lot of it. Meat he can take. And then I think that'd probably be good for this pallet. Some stuff that I could use. That should be good. Ooh, almost losing it. Alright, so condense that together, get rid of that, and we'll get bottom strip. That's already down. It's flat, there we go. That locked up. Alrighty. Meet you guys when I get everything squared away.